Happy Thursday. I'm making homemade paninis. I use ham and turkey, and I use deli meat. So that's my ham and my turkey. I use Texas toast. I use red onions. I already cut those up. Olive oil, vinaigrette, mustard, banana peppers, sliced pickles, lettuce, and cheese. And I use a George Foreman grill to grill it. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that up to get that a little warm. Okay, so I got that plugged up. And the first thing I do is put my meat on. Put the meat on first. So, and I just roll up some meat. So I put my meat on. Then I add a few onions. You don't need a whole lot. These red onions are potent. And I put on a few banana peppers, not a whole lot. This is my husband's sandwich. He don't like a lot of stuff on his. So I put a little bit of everything on there. And then the pickles. I just put a couple of pickles on here for him. And then I put the cheese on. So I put all the toppings on. Then I put the cheese on there. And I use 2 kinds of cheese. So after I put the cheese on, put a little mustard on there. You don't need a whole lot. Just squish a little bit on there. You put the vinaigrette on there. And you don't need a whole lot on there, but you put that on there. And then you add your lettuce. Lettuce is the last thing you put on there. And it ended up being kind of big, y'all, once you put everything on there. And then you put your bread on top. All right. And look at that, y'all. It's huge, I know. You take your olive oil. Just take a spoon. Put a little bit on there. Because you got to put it in a George Foreman grill. But you got to rub it on there. And then I'm going to put it on the grill, y'all. And then you put olive oil also on the top piece of bread. Because when you got to flip it when it's cooking, after it cooked for a little while. So I smush it down on there. And then we just going to wait. It cooks about maybe 3, maybe 4 minutes. It doesn't cook a long time, but I'm going to go ahead and make my next one. Because I got to make more than one, because I'm making one for myself, one for my baby girl. So, yep, so I add my meat. Okay, and I use ham and turkey, like I said earlier. And that's my grill just cooking and popping. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. And I'm gonna let it keep on cooking. So, all right, so this is my second one. I'm gonna put them onions on there. Not too many, you don't need a whole lot. And add all my toppings, the banana peppers. And the pickles. Then the mustard. And the olive oil. Gotta put the cheese on. And check it, because it cooks quick, y'all. It's still simmering, looking good. So the cheese, and then the lettuce. And then this one will be ready to go on the grill, the George Foreman grill. Gotta smash it down a little bit. All right, I'm gonna flip this again. Okay, we're gonna let this keep on cooking. And then I'm gonna show you the end result. All right, plate, it's almost done. I gotta get a plate here. Alrighty, get a plate to put this on, because I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like on the inside. And this will be your panini, nice and quick. And it looks like you got it from a restaurant. So, it's gonna be some kind of good. All right. Sometimes my George Foreman grill times out, so we gotta give it a minute. And then I'm gonna flip it over one more time. I just needed to kick back in and get that light back on. There we go. So it's back on. And I'm gonna give it another, so I'll say about 3 or 4 minutes maybe it needs to cook. But I hope everyone is having an amazing day today. And also go check out my other videos. I got some more how-to videos on recipes and everything. And I have some stuff to help you do it the right way. I have a lot of videos, but my favorite video is my video that my daughter made for me for my birthday. It had me bawling, y'all. I was crying so hard. It was so beautiful. I just posted that the other day. It's myself and my daughter is on the thumbnail, so go check that out, y'all. Definitely go check that out. Ooh, hot. So I'll cut this in half. So all right, there we go. Ooh. Hot, y'all, real hot. But this is the panini, and it's so good, y'all. It's the panini, and the cheese is melted, and everything is good to go. I'm gonna. All right, hold on. Show it to you. That's the sandwich and everything on it. So, and the bread is nice and toasty. So I thank y'all for looking. It's easy to do. It's nice and good, and it's filling. So everybody enjoy your night. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will make some. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Holla at your girl. I'm on a road to 2K, and I need watch hours too. So hook me up. Peace, blessings, and love to each of you. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed that recipe. It was delicious. I just finished eating a sandwich, and it was good. Thank you all for coming to the premiere. Thank you for checking out the video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. But I just wanted to quickly thank 2 amazing family members. 2 brothers of mine on these YouTube streets. Slick Nico Twins and Daddy Days 1. I was in Slick Nico Twin live not too long ago, and I was really close to 1,800 family members. Really close. So I dropped it in the live chat, and Slick Nico, he stopped the press. He was like, everybody, be amazing. is 8 away from a milestone. And Daddy Days 1 was in the live chat too. So Slick was telling everybody to check me out and how awesome my channel was. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate you. You know, I truly appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for getting me to that milestone of 1,800. And Daddy Days, he jumped right on. Daddy Days 1, he was like, be amazing. He kept typing in the chat because I was going back and forth trying to gain family members and doing it the right way. Yes, doing it the right way. He was like, be amazing. How many you need? What you need? I got you. And he kept saying, I got you. So I told him what I needed. And he was like, don't worry, I got you. 10 minutes later, y'all, I bust that goal wide open. Daddy Days 1 went to his Instagram and he shared out the live from Slick Nico Twins. What Slick Nico Twins was saying, be amazing, need 8 family members. Thank you all so much. I truly, truly appreciate it. Y'all don't know how much that warmed my heart. And I know, you know, it takes a village and we all are in this together. But this is, you know, genuine love. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate that. So now I'm on a downhill close to 2K, y'all. Y'all know that's my goal, 2K. So I think I got like 195 family members left to get, and I'm hoping to get that by the end of this month. If not, it'll go into May. It is what it is, but I appreciate each and every one of y'all and the support. And I'm gonna put Slick Nico Twins and Daddy Days 1 page right after this, so you guys can look at it, see that picture. Y'all connect with these two awesome guys. You want them in your family. You want them in your pocket. Peace, blessings, and love to each and every one of y'all. And be safe. Bye.